Hey buddy, I'm back once again, and yes, I'm back, finally. Yeah, let's not talk about that, but hopefully I'll be back on a more regular basis, fingers crossed this time, so expect some more videos shortly. First of all though, this bad boy just got released today, and I figured, I've never had a fold, I've only ever had a flip, so it's time to try a fold. So yes, it's the Galaxy Z Fold6, or the Z Fold6 if you want to call it that. Yeah. Anyway, I actually got the Samsung.com exclusive one. I think it's the black one. Forgot the exact name of it. Crafted black, I think it's called on the bottom of the backs. It looks like it's carbon fibre look, but we'll see when we get into it because I don't think I've actually seen any pictures online. Anyway, here is the box. So top of it, side of it, you've got your Samsung, nothing at the top. Galaxy Z Fold flip there. On the back, just got some information with regards to this one. So this one is, I shouldn't even say that on the back, it just Samsung's details. And then on the bottom of it, it's got the IMEI and all that kind of good information for you, which is just for me, unfortunately for you. So let's have a look at it. Right, let's open it up. So it's got these little pull strips. So very Apple-esque now. Boom, that one's done there. And the top one as well. Boom. So people are thinking, but why did you go for this one? It's not a big difference over last year's. I got it because I wanted the more refined version of last year. And effectively, this is kind of what I've been kind of told it is. So yeah, we'll see what we're. Alright, so let's have a look inside the box. I've kind of already did this a little bit because, yeah, it had some stuff inside it that you can't see. Anyway, boom, 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 boom. Voila. Look at that, eh? And this, it's actually kind of textured, which I'll see if I can show you to the camera in a moment or two. For now, let's just pop that off to the side really quickly. Here's the actual box. Inside the side of the box, or I should say in this side of the box, it's just got a USB Type-C cable. I can get that for you. USB Type-C cable, standard cable, SIM ejector, and some usual books and all that kind of crap there. We don't need that, do we? So we'll pop that off to the side over here. Off that goes. Here is the star of the show. And as I said, this, I've not seen any videos online of this one yet. It's actually got a texture. So I'll bring it to the microphone a little bit so hopefully you can hear this. Hopefully you can hear that on camera there. If not, then on microphone, hopefully. But yeah. Anyway, let's pop this out. Just comes out like this, I believe. Hey, happy days. And there we have it. So here's the front of the screen. Obviously, that screen protector on there. Let's go on the back there. And I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, to be honest with you, unboxings aren't as nice as they used to be, are they? Yeah, we used to have a look and see what freebies you're getting. Are you going to get any? What you're going to get in this one? But that's pretty much it. That's the whole. Yeah, there's your phone. There's your cable. Get your own charger. For £1,800 for the cheapest one. This is the 512 megabyte one. So the retail price of this is £1,900, and you don't get a charger. I get it. Smaller boxes, blah blah. But come on, give you a voucher and let you get a free charger if you don't have a vote. Anyway, I digress. Let's have a quick look at the phone itself, shall we? And then obviously we'll show you the back of it as well. So there is that big ass screen, which we'll take this off in a moment or two. I don't want too much kind of reflection on there. But in terms of the main screen in the front of it there, I believe it's about 7.6 inch, give or take, is the actual diagonal. And on the front of it, which is this one here, is going to be a 6.2 to 6.3 inch, depending if you're counting the corners or not. Going through the cameras, it's 10 megapixels on the front of the screen, and then in here you have three different cameras. You've got a 50 megapixel, a 12 megapixel, and a 10 megapixel with a 3x zoom. So not the best cameras in the world, but let's be honest, you're probably not buying this phone for the cameras. If you are, then you're kind of a shower log. Let's be honest with it. Huh? So I'm actually going to take the screen protectors off here now, and we'll see how shiny it is, shall we? What I'll do first of all, let me see if I can bring this a bit closer for you. Hopefully I can get that to focus a bit better. There we go. So you can see that there. Can you see? Hopefully you can kind of see. I was trying to move it a bit sideways and whatnot. So it has got a texture to it. It feels pretty damn nice just to touch. Gives it a bit of extra grip because it's kind of half shiny, half not. Yeah, it feels really, really nice to touch actually. Really, really nice. The sides themselves feel nice. So let's take you around it, shall we, really quickly. On the right side of it, you've got your fingerprint scanner, your volume up and down. On the top of it, you've got your microphones and a speaker. On the left side, SIM tray, nothing else. And the bottom, another speaker and microphone and the USB Type-C. We'll do so. Come on, let's just take this off, shall we? You ready for it? Ready for this big peel? Hopefully, hopefully my camera picks it up, or the microphone picks it up. Ready? Yeah, that was not a proper peel. Because look, it's not fully peeled. It's on the bloody edges. Cheeky buggers. It's not a Samsung Edge, it's a bloody Fold. Anyway, I digressed. Hey, go away. Put it off to the side. There we go. Hope you can kind of see me in there because of how big a bloody screen is. You see the folds just there as well. It's not too bad, is it? The actual crease in there. That's not as bad as I expected. Again, it's the first time having a Fold. Let's close it. See what it feels like. That feels pretty nice. And then the front of it, we'll do this one as well. Maybe this is a better pull. Oh, much better pull. Okay, there we go. There we go. Much happier with that bad boy. Yeah. Stick that on there as well. And there we have it. That's how it feels. That's how it looks in hand. You know what? I kind of like the feel of it. It's smaller than my S24 Ultra, but obviously then I can just kind of open her up and job done. Got a big ass screen there. So yeah. And then the one thing I'm going to have to probably learn, that no one really talks about, is closing it. Because I don't want to leave fingerprints on there. So am I meant to kind of close it like that? The only way I can kind of think to do it is kind of do that and hold it, and then, but then I'm going to have my fingerprints on that. So yeah, you know, that's something people don't talk about. So one thing I'll be talking about, hopefully my my full-on review itself. I must admit, it does look impressive though, doesn't it? I mean, look at that. Looks absolutely fantastic. Going round it, looks absolutely lovely. Let's get you a couple of close-up shots. And there's the actual back camera itself. And again, I'll bring it, take my bloody fingernails off, it's that cool. Right, I'm going to bring it closer to the microphone. Hopefully you can hear that. That feels really nice to touch. Again, it's got a nice grip to it. That's about it. Yeah, not much else to kind of really do in an unboxing, is there? It's probably been longer than it should have been anyway, to be honest with you. Anyway, stay tuned for more. I've got a lot more videos coming out. I've got my unlocking videos, got them coming back. I'm going to have some videos on the Fold. I've got the case for this one. Got this one that came with it, the S Pen case. So I'm looking forward to trying the S Pen on this phone as well, because again, I use an S24 Ultra. And I love the S Pen, so we'll obviously see how it feels on this device as well. If you've got any questions or concerns or anything else, you know what to do. You can hit me up with a comment down below. If there's anything you want me to check out, again, I'm hoping to be back on a regular schedule, uploading at least one video per week on a minimum. Then let me know in a comment below what you'd like me to kind of get in, because I've got a lot of things that have been offered, but I've not accepted a lot of it just because I've not been well recently, so I've not really had much chance to kind of get a lot of this stuff done. Anyway, I'm going to get gone. Yeah, trying to get back in the swing of things. So it might not be my most professional or most, you know, concise video, but hey ho. And don't forget, subscribe, it is free, and go on, smash a like, you know you want to. Anyway, once again, thanks for watching, and you'll see me in my next one. Well, you probably won't see me, maybe you will, but you'll definitely hear me in the next one. Cheers everyone.